Hello friends, today we have this new Philips air fryer with me. I've been using air fryer extensively in my kitchen for last 4 years. If you follow my food recipe channel Healthy Kadhai, then you must be aware that I've already prepared more than 100 air fryer recipes, from frying different kinds of cutlets, pakoras, rolls to baking different kinds of cakes. You can check out all these videos. I've shared the link in the description box below. I simply love air fryer. My sister also wanted to buy one for her, so we went to the market and bought this new Philips air fryer. The best part about this air fryer is that it comes at a very low cost as compared to the ones which are available in the market, but with the same performance. So without giving any other thought, we quickly bought this one. We all know that Philips is the world's #1 air fryer brand. Air fryer use 80% less oil. Why we call 80% is that some oil is used in brushing, or we just add it in batter. However, that is also completely optional. If you want to make things in air fryer without oil, you can completely do so. If you look at the box, this air fryer does the same things. You can do frying, grilling, baking, everything in this air fryer. And another thing is that this comes in white color, which gives quite a premium look. Though we'll open up the box and we'll see how does the actual air fryer looks like. The model number of this air fryer is HD9216/81, and the price point is 9,990 rupees, which is commendable. If you want to check the Best Buy links, I've shared that in the description box below. Let's open it. This is how our new air fryer looks like. I must say it looks quite premium, though because of the white color it can get dirty quickly. Let's look at the different sections of this air fryer. This is the temperature setting knob. Here you can see you can set the temperature from 80 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees. Below we have this timer. You can rotate the knob, and the timer also you can set from 0 to 30 minutes. And we have this indicator as well. The knob is also very sturdy and is made up of good quality. This complete section looks quite nice. Few of the settings are also mentioned here for easy reference. For instance, if you want to bake muffins, then you can bake it at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 18 minutes. And likewise, all other reference functions are given here. Let's see the basket. So here comes my air fryer basket. This is the mesh. It's made up of nice quality, and the handle is quite sturdy too. At the base we have the starfish design, which is the part of patented Philips Rapid Air technology. Now for those of you who don't know how the air fryer works, let me explain that to you. If you can look here, this is the heating coil or the element. When we start the air fryer, the air intake happens from this top section. Then the air moves inside. There is a fan here which throws the air downwards. This heater heats the air, if you can see here. And then the starfish design circulates the air in air fryer in such a manner that it cooks the food from all the sides. So this is how the rapid air technology works in an air fryer. Let me now assemble it back. You simply need to put the basket like this, and the air fryer is ready to use. Moving towards the back of the air fryer, here you can see this exhaust. So the air which comes from the air fryer is filtered, because there is also a filter inside the exhaust. And below we have this cord winder. Though this is a 1400 watt product, it does not consume too much of electricity, because there is a thermostat inside it which heats up the air to the required temperature, and then the fan circulates that air, heated air, and the insulated body of the air fryer maintains the temperature inside it. Overall, air fryer is a versatile product, as with this you can fry, grill, roast and even bake. I have tried out few dishes in this air fryer by toasting these crispy sandwiches, and even I have fried crispy cheese balls in it. I have also grilled tandoori soya chap in this air fryer, and I must say that I'm completely satisfied with the results which this air fryer has given me. All the food which you cook in air fryer is crispy on outside and tender on inside. Little or no oil is needed to ensure perfect texture and delicious results. So one can cook variety of dishes in this air fryer. So the body of the air fryer is cool to touch even when it is working. So one can say that air fryer is truly a health gadget with which we can consume our food in a little more healthier way. So if you are looking to buy an air fryer and price was a constraint, then you can certainly go for this new air fryer which comes at a very low cost but gives the same efficiency. If you want to buy this air fryer, then you can check out the links which I have shared in the description box below. I hope you liked watching today's video. Please do subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.